Hi there, welcome to a quick video tutorial here on how to analyze a Google trend in Desmos. So the first thing you want to do is Google Trends. That's going to take you to this page. Google Trends is an awesome tool that will show you the popularity of a search topic over time. And what you can do is just start by typing in the search item of your choice. I'm just going to look up Star Wars: The Last Jedi, popular movie right now at this point in time. Or is it? We can actually check that using this tool. What I do is I type in my search term and a graph pops up, and you can see this is the interest over time. So no surprise, back in the day before this movie was really around, there wasn't much popularity. On the y-axis here, I have out of 100 the popularity. So if you look here, this is the maximum popularity. So that point is given a value of 100, and everything else is scaled accordingly. So back in December of 2016, this movie was not super popular. You see a few blips every once in a while, but it really surged in popularity recently when the film was released. So what I can do is I can change the scale, my x-axis, which is time, better suit my trend. If I look at, for instance, the past 30 days, so this movie was just released with the time when I'm recording this video. In December in particular, we started seeing growth, and we reached our popularity on December 15th, which is actually the day that the movie was released. So what I can do, because I'm on a Mac, I can take a screenshot of this, and I'm going to import this screenshot into the Desmos graphing calculator. And the way you do that is you just Google Desmos and it'll take you to a page like this. I can add an item, I can go image here, and I'm just going to select Star Wars. This is my screenshot that I took, and I'm going to get my trend that I just developed using Google Trends, and I'm able to scale this up however I would like to so that I can start doing some analysis on this thing. Because this looks like it's sort of an exponential growth of some sort, in this case it makes sense for me to position this function at the x-axis where there appears to be a horizontal asymptote. I'm going to put it approximately here. You can see this thing appears to be approaching the x-axis and not actually touching zero. And I'm going to try to make this thing scaled up so that the maximum value aligns with the y value on my y-axis that makes sense. Because of the size of my Desmos graph, I'm going to aim to get 5 as the peak in popularity, which you'll remember was 100 for my Google Trends graph. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of play around with this page until I'm able to make that happen. That should be pretty close. You can see here. There we go. Perfect. Almost. So you can see here, I've got my trend over time imported into Desmos here, and I've got my maximum aligned roughly with a 5 units on my Desmos scale. So this is really great. I can do some analysis on this trend over time, and I think what I'll do is post a follow-up video on how to use functions to model this trend over time, and it's going to involve using your understanding of transformations of functions. So take a peek at that video, and thanks for watching.